Do you know the full potential of what digital marketing can bring to your business? In this fast-paced world where technology reigns supreme, digital marketing has become the cornerstone of success for businesses globally. It's like a vast ocean, filled with immense opportunities that are just waiting to be tapped into. But how familiar are you with this ocean? Have you dipped your toes in its waters, or are you still standing on the shore, watching others ride the waves of success? Digital marketing is more than just social media posts and SEO. It's a complex, dynamic, and ever-evolving field that requires a keen understanding of consumer behavior, market trends, and innovative technologies. It's about creating meaningful connections with your audience, bringing value to their lives, and ultimately, driving your business forward. So, have you truly embraced the power of digital marketing? Or are you merely scratching the surface? If you're not sure, don't worry, because today, we'll delve deep into the world of digital marketing. Before we continue, please help me out to grow my channel and like, subscribe, and comment below. I would certainly appreciate it. Thank you. Consider this: a small local bakery in Manchester, struggling to keep afloat during the pandemic, decided to venture into digital marketing. At their wits' end, they began to explore the digital realm, starting with social media marketing. They created engaging content, shared mouth-watering photos of their daily bakes, and interacted with their followers, slowly but steadily building an online community. Next, they delved into local search engine optimization. They ensured their website was optimized, focused on local keywords, and made sure they were listed on all local business directories. This increased their online visibility dramatically, making it easier for potential customers to find them. The result, a surge in sales. People from all corners of Manchester and even beyond started to notice this little bakery. Their customer base expanded and their business boomed. And all this, thanks to their strategic digital marketing efforts. With the right digital marketing strategies, they managed to turn the tide, illustrating the power of digital marketing. Or take the example of an unknown artist who became a global sensation overnight. Once upon a time, our artist was tucked away in a small corner of the world, creating masterpieces that were appreciated by a handful of local art enthusiasts. But they had a vision to take their art to the world. They leveraged the power of content marketing, crafting compelling stories about their art, their inspirations, and their journey. They collaborated with influencers, those who resonated with their art and could help them reach a wider audience. Their work started creating a buzz online, capturing the attention of art lovers worldwide. And then, one day, their work caught the eye of a renowned international art gallery. Before they knew it, their art was being exhibited in the most prestigious galleries around the world, and they were a global sensation. This artist's success story showcases the potential of digital marketing and personal branding. These stories are not unique. They are happening all around us, every day. People just like you and me are tapping into the limitless potential of the digital marketing world. It's a world where ideas are currency and creativity is king. It's a world where a single, well-placed ad can skyrocket a business to new heights. Consider your potential in this dynamic industry. There's a vast landscape of opportunities at your fingertips. Whether it's content creation, SEO, social media marketing, or paid advertising, there's a niche for everyone. The key to success: staying ahead of the curve. The digital marketing world is ever evolving. Trends come and go at lightning speed, but with a keen eye for changes and an adaptable strategy, you can ride the wave of innovation. With the right knowledge and application, you too can tap into these opportunities. So, what's stopping you from taking the leap into the digital marketing world? Perhaps it's the fear of the unknown, or maybe it's a lack of clarity on where to start. Here's the thing: the digital landscape is vast and brimming with opportunities that are just waiting to be seized. Don't let uncertainty hold you back. The first step is always the hardest, but once you take it, you'll find that the path unfolds before you. Equip yourself with the necessary knowledge. There are a plethora of resources available online to help you understand the nuances of this field. Apply these digital marketing strategies in your own unique context. It could be for your business, your personal brand, or even a passion project. The key is to start, learn, adapt, and grow. Remember, the world of digital marketing is ever evolving, and the opportunities are endless. So start your journey today and unlock your potential. For more information about making money online, please go to the description below. Thanks.